Everyone, Gil Gray Man Prepping. Got something. Hang on. Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff here. All right, so let's see. I'm going to start with this one here. It supposedly should have a rip open top here. Oh yeah, there it goes. This I got is for the grandkids. Specifically, one particular one. It's some special vitamins and stuff that actually counteract the folic acid that people get from eating the highly processed flour and stuff, and certain the fortified grains and stuff. Because folic acid is not in a normal diet, so it's not a natural thing, and so the kids tend to be a little bit more. How the guy say it on the thing? It's you send them off to school, and all of a sudden they're trying to win WWF, and so they've been on this, and every time that they remember to take this, they're a lot calmer. So I got another package of this for the grandkids, and let's go and get rid of that package. Oh, it came back and got me. All right, this is some seeds and stuff from M.I. Gardner. So this part's a mail call. This open here. Yeah. Oh boy. Yep. Good. All right. And of course, M.I. Gardner sends an empty packet so you can share seeds with somebody. And I got my invoice here. Interesting. They highlighted a couple things there that I guess the ones that were singles and stuff. So anyways, I got some doubles and triples of things. So daikon radish, kind of trying that. Got the Howden pumpkins, which I grew last year, to replace those so I can do more. Got Connecticut Field, Connecticut Field pumpkins. Got 2 of the Genevieve basil, and I got to get these started so I can plant these next to the tomatoes to help keep certain things away from the tomatoes. Got a couple of burgundy onions. Got a Texas early Grando onions, and actually there are 2 of those. Got 3 spearmint, so I get some spearmint growing here. And I got golden nugget tomatoes. So these are a different type of cherry tomato, and we'll find out whether or not the grandkids like this. But it's been a couple of years since I've tried growing onions, and the red burgundies did good here, and so I'm going to try those again. And so that's what I got there. Daikon radishes here. It's going to be the first time for me growing these, and we'll see how that goes. Now, for this one, yeah, it bounced. Let's open here. Now this is going to be a garden experiment on this one. I had gotten this a couple of years ago, and you would have seen the video over on Camp Patton when I was doing stuff for the grandkids. So let's get this out here. There it's out. Get rid of that. And this is some green snow fencing. And you wonder, snow fencing for the garden? Yeah. So let me let's go ahead, pull this down a little bit. What's going to be so neat about this is that the snow fencing, maybe here, just a shrink wrap type thing on it. Nope, they got actually heavy duty Scotch tape, packing tape on here, trying to keep it tight. Come on here, get it where I can cut it. And sometimes it's just, there we go. Okay, so this stuff here will be great for peas to grow up and other vining plants to grow up a little bit. Plus, it acts as a little bit of windbreak. So when I put it out there near the pumpkins and the other squashes that grow on the ground, when the wind blows through, it's not going to cause them to roll up and stuff. So I'm going to be putting this out there as a windbreak, and along it, I'll be planting peas to grow up it, and I'll provide a windbreak for the squash, the watermelons, the pumpkins, and stuff like that. So that's going to be an experiment. I hope this works out good. If it does, it will help me get a lot better plants. All right, so there you have it. There's the the unbagging, the mail call, and the unboxing. All right, take care. I'll see you around. Oh, and plant your own gardens. Start growing food.